In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload Reels on Facebook. Now let's get straight into the process. Make sure your Facebook app is updated. Now open your Facebook. Here we go. Your home page appears. At the top, you can see two options, Stories and Reels. Tap on the option Reels. Now here you can see this option of Create Reel. Tap on it. Now select the video from your gallery that you wanna upload in your Facebook account as Reel. Just select it. Now at the right hand side, you can see different options as audio, text, effects and so on. You can add some audio by tapping on this option audio. Now at the bottom, you can see this option of add music and add voiceover. If you want to add music, then you can choose the option of add music and select here any of the music that is suitable for your video. If you want to add some voiceover, you can tap on this option add voiceover. Likewise, you can add some text. You can add some effects to your video. You can add some stickers. If you want to save your video to your gallery, then you can tap on this option save. After you are done with your editing, tap on next given at the bottom right corner. Now here you can describe your reel. You can add some description to your reel. And then you can also select who can see your reel. Tap on this option public. Now here you can choose the option of friends accept. Here I will be setting it to friends. Tap on done. Now tap on share now. It is in the process to be uploaded. This is very easy and simple process. You can see that my reel is uploaded. In this way, you can easily upload reel on your Facebook account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.